So when you are purchasing any of the self-learning videos for this Azure or Fabric or the real-time program, so eClasses is offering four different kind of self-learning videos. The one is about the only exclusive to Azure Data Engineering. You can see the title Self-Learning Videos Azure Data Engineering. In this course, we are covering only Microsoft Azure Data Engineering related services only. So here you can see we have first demo of the Azure Data Engineering, day 1, day 2, day 3, storage account security, SQL Server installation. So this is how you need to follow the flow of the data engineering course. And so we have covered data factory first, then after the data factory, so we have discussed about the data bricks part. Okay, so this is the flow. You need to watch all the videos to understand about this one. Okay, so apart from this, inside this data engineering course, I have attached one class notes also. Here you can see, and also for interview preparation and resume preparation, and few videos we have added over here inside this folder of resume and interview preparation purpose. So these videos also at the end of the course you can able to watch. This is for Azure Data Engineering self-learning. If you are purchasing self-learning videos for the only Microsoft Fabric, so this is the course self-learning videos for Microsoft Fabric. This is covering exclusive only Microsoft Fabric. Okay, so only Fabric related services we have covered. Inside you can able to see we have this day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, day 6, day 7, day 8, day 9. So these videos are in the content folder. First you need to watch this day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, day 6, day 7, day 8, day 9 inside the content folder. Then you will find a live class recording videos folder. Inside you have to come from the bottom actually. So after the content folder videos whatever you have completed, then you need to watch starting of this Microsoft Fabric data flow transformations, data flow gen 2 transformation 3 4, and this is how you need to go from bottom to top over here. Okay, so here we covered Power BI and data factory, data pipelines, Databricks notebooks, all those things we covered. So this is the flow you need to follow for the Microsoft Fabric videos. Apart from this individual Azure and Fabric, we covered a combination of the course Azure plus Fabric, both in a single course. So simply you can go inside. Here we have a videos of, you can see you have to go to the bottom. So from the bottom you need to start it in this content folder. Here you can see demo of data engineering, day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, and Azure SQL database, Synapse dedicated SQL pool, Microsoft Fabric storage, Azure data factory introduction. So this is how we need to go to the up to top over here. Okay, right. Then after we have a program 2 as well. So we created a special self-learning videos for the self-learning videos of the real-time program on Azure Fabrics. So simply you can go inside. Here you can able to see whatever the, let's go to content folder. So this real-time program is completely, we have given some assignments. So those assignments you can able to see under this files folder in your content folder. There you can see a sprint sheet. So this sprint sheet is basically old sheet. Old sheet means initially we created 200 plus tasks. See here in the sprint 1, sprint 2, these are all the scenario based tasks we have created. So let's, for example, here you can see we have a task 1. So how to do this task? To do this task, you have to go over here, and inside your content folder there is a sprint old videos. So under this old videos you can see task 1 to 6. Okay, here the task 1 to 6 how to do we have explained in this video over here. You need to play this video and you can watch how to do this one. So this is how this sprint sheet you can able to do all the things here. Okay, on top of that we have updated few more tasks added, and the sprint sheet has revised. Simply you can go to the file section. Under the file section you can see there is a updated sprint sheet. So simply you can open this updated sprint sheet. This includes the old, this includes old tasks as well as we have updated new tasks also. So total 209 updated sprint tasks we have. So to watch anything newly added tasks inside the sprint sheet, how we can able to do those tasks, here we have added few more videos. Okay, so first you need to complete the sprint old videos with the sprint old sheet. Then after you can go to the real-time project videos here. So here we have explained everything. Okay, so task 1 to 10, task 11 to 18, this is a demo video of the first day. And then after you can able to see all these videos. All right, so once it is done, anything needed while we are discussing the session, any kind of files or interview preparation, some sample resumes, here we have added a zip folder, all the sample resumes and interview questions here, and any files needed, all these things we have added in the zip folder over here. Okay, so apart from these three folders of the videos, there are few videos we have uploaded here. You can watch these videos also. If you're watching this real-time program on Azure Fabric, then 100% you can able to crack your interviews yourself. Okay, so this is how we have 4 self-learning courses with the best prices we are providing. So you guys can able to purchase any of the course. To purchase these courses, we are keeping these links in our description of the below course in YouTube. And also for this prices you can able to change it over there as well, and we will provide the links and you can purchase. Or if you want to buy this one, you can reach out a contact number. So that number is 7997. So you can reach out this number 7997 457 228. Okay, simply you can reach out this number. You can discuss about the price. They will tell you the prices what it is displaying on the screen might be changed. So at the time of purchasing, what is the price of the each course, you can able to ask them and you can able to buy this. All right, thank you.